Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Before you replace the latch actuator in your microwave oven, unplug the power cord. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two mounting screws, securing the grill. With the screws unthreaded, open the oven door, then slide the grill to the left and lift it up to remove. Next, remove the control panel mounting screw. Lift the control panel up to detach. To avoid straining the control board wires, we recommend noting the orientation of the wires, then disconnecting them from the board. Remove the screw securing the grounding wire and set the control panel aside. Use a T20 Torx bit screwdriver to unthread the screws securing the switch holder. With the screws removed, lift the holder up to detach. Release the wires from the retaining clips. Use a small flathead screwdriver to pull back the locking tab, then lift the old latch actuator out. Install the new latch actuator by snapping it into place on the switch holder. Reposition the holder on the frame and replace the screws. Secure the wires in the retaining clips. Secure the grounding wire to the control board housing. Reconnect the remaining wires to the appropriate terminals on the board. Now insert the control panel tabs into the slots in the frame and push the panel down. Replace the mounting screw to secure. Insert the tabs on the grill into the slots in the frame and slide the grill to the right. Rethread the mounting screws. With the repair completed, plug the power cord back in, and your microwave oven should be ready for use.